Speaker of Bangladesh Parliament, Dr. Shirin Sharmin Chaudhary MP. Special guest, Honorable State Minister, Mr. Jahid Malik, MP, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Medical University, Professor Dr. Kamrul Hassan Khan. Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Muhammad Sharfuddin Ahmed. Our dignitaries, our beloved teachers of teachers, Professor A.C. Ashraf, Professor M.A. Majid, our foreign faculties, renowned foreign faculties, Professor Chintamani from India, Professor Raghuram from India, Professor Chatterjee from UK, Professor Adil from Oman. I really grateful to them, and our dignitaries, female doctors or female surgeons, media personalities. Assalamu alaikum. It is a great honor and proud privilege for me to welcome you all to this first International Congress on Breast Disease of the Association of Breast Surgeons of Bangladesh as its president. I am happy to tell you on this occasion, in Bangladesh, breast surgery has got an important space in the disciplines of surgery. With the advancement of knowledge and technique, breast conserving surgery nowadays getting its popularity among the sufferers of the breast cancer. I would like to say that breast surgery should be done by the surgeons only, who has got enough knowledge and experience in the field of breast surgery. Actually, this is a new society which has made its footprint about 1 year ago, with the idea that to help our people as well as improve our surgical expertise in Bangladesh as international standard with newer technique. Our aim is to make platform through this we serve our nation to give appropriate and proper treatment. This is our first International Congress. I think our surgeons will be benefited by sharing their experience with international faculties. That's how our patients will also be benefited. Dear colleagues, there will be a lot of scientific sessions and hope all of our delegates will be able to exchange their knowledge and experience. Before I conclude, I must thank all the international faculty members and the local delegates who have taken trouble to join this Congress and make it success. I must express my gratitude to my colleagues who spared personal comfort and time to make this International Congress a success. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, may I request you to receive your crest from the Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Shirin Sharmin Chaudhary. Thank you. Now the vote of thanks. May I request Dr. Aminul Islam Joardar for the vote of thanks.
Mr. Chairman, President of the Society of Breast Surgeons of Bangladesh, Professor Dr. Saifuddin Ahmed, Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Shirin Sharmin Chaudhary MP, Honorable Speaker, Bangladesh Parliament, Special Guest, Dr. Jahid Malik MP, Honorable State Minister of Health and Family Welfare, our special guest, Mr. Sadhan Chandra Majumdar, Honorable Member of Parliament, Professor Dr. Kamrul Hassan Khan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, BSMMU, Professor Dr. Sharfuddin Ahmed,
Pro Vice Chancellor, Administration, BSMU, distinguished guests, participants from home and abroad, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is a great privilege for me to address the gathering of the first International Congress of the Association of Breast of Bangladesh, Breast Surgeons of Bangladesh. We are thankful to our chief guest who has honored us by giving her consent to be with us and inaugurate the program. Respected guests and participants, your kind and warm company has really glorified us. We feel really honored by your presence. Those of you who have taken all the pain and troubles to travel a long way to participate in the Congress, we extend our wholehearted thanks to you all. Your presence has definitely added a special flavor to the occasion. We are delighted that the representatives of the media and press have taken all the troubles to attend the program. We are grateful to them. It will be a failure of my duties if I do not recall our sponsors and their representatives with satisfaction and appreciate their participation in such program of development of surgical sciences. So deeply acknowledge the BSMU management for their keen cooperation to hold the program. Finally, I like to be unhesitant and generous to extend my warm felicitation to the many hands and many minds whose hard labor and sincerity have brought the Congress a reality. To those not mentioned are due to apologies. Wish you all the best. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you indeed.
Thank you, Dr. Amit Islam Jaratar. With this, we end our session. Thank you, audience, for your patient hearing.